oil change on Dodge Journey 2017. So I'm going to change the air filter. First things first, remove the cover. Pull grip stick. Open our cap. We're going to change the oil filter, which is a cartridge. I'm going to check the air filter. Okay, so to open the oil filter, it's going to be a 24. Open the 4/8 screws. One screw, you can just go between the wires to get to what you want. That's filthy. Just like that. Just put it back in place. Not too tight. It's going to be a 13. So I'm going to change some brake pads. The bracket bolts, it's a 21. Change the rotors also. See in the front, the rotors look good. When I took off the rear pads, look at the pads. You can see the uneven wear right here at the bottom and at the top. So when I put the new pads, it's going to be the same. I'm going to change the rotors. I don't like that. If it was smooth like the front, I would leave it. So these calipers are a little bit stiff to go in. So I just put the pad back. And then I put the caliper tool. Tap the rotor. So cleaning this caliper is going to be a little more gentle. I can't just run it through as I want. Really, because of the little tabs that holds the pad. Some light scuffing. Slide pin. And here it came out with the rubber like this. And now when you take the rubber off, you can see how corroded where the rubber sits. Now if you don't have the caliper tool, I'm doing the other side on the front. You can just pull the, or after you open the caliper, pull it out a little bit, stick the screwdriver, and then pry against the pad to push the caliper back in, the piston. See? So for the rear calipers, same thing, two 13 volts. You're just going to have to get the caliper tool to spin the caliper back. Per bracket is going to be 18. What should look like when you're done. You need the caliper tool. Everybody should have this. If you don't have it, you could use a long needle nose pliers. Just after you push back the caliper, put your rotor, catch up your bracket. Okay, so for the pads, all 4 pads has the brake wear indicators shim, bottom, back. So that way you know it's seized up or something. Go. That's how you use the pads. Okay, so the pads on the other side. This one, brake shim indicator will go on the top. Place. Like push it in. Like that. See how the pad sits? Brake wear indicator right there. Caliper in and tie it up. Give it a brake clean and we're ready for paint. So we're ready for painting. BHT caliper paint. front caliper breather. So after every brake job, make sure you pump up the brakes so the pedal gets hard. Start the car, run it for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to go recheck your oil. Make sure it's good. If it needs, top it up and you're done. I add my oil, I started the car, and I'm going to check. You want your oil mark to be in between the C, so like the A. And it tells you on the dipstick. If you're not overfilled, check with oil hot and equal level. So that's good enough right there.